Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, this is subject for today, and I shot this image for a long time ago, before digital age, and I did a triple exposure and using a litho film to make this image from just regular model shot and add this lightning flare type image by when I was in art school, art center in Pasadena. Well, I'm gonna make this. Nowadays it's digital, so I can make something more creative, exciting image to make this maybe version up expression of this lightning and stuff. Let's get started. Well, I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges. I got this exposure couple. Several exposure. One is stars with using lens filter, star filter, and expose once. Then after that, take that filter out. Then again, exposure. So, well, anyways, let's see from this that I want some touch up is this lightning. This is actually I draw on my pen to get the litho film to get this line image, right? But these days using technology to get something more interesting. Even though if you change this, when you see this pencil drawing type, then if you change this normal, usually I do just darken so we can see through underneath of the image. But this time, if you change this blend mode, darken to like a color burn, linear burn, soft light, it's gonna make an interesting expression. Expression too, like color burn, just darken. Color burns more effective, don't you think? This is just a normal image, right? Then add color burn, pencil drawing type, looks more contrast. So it's looking okay, but I want to make more lightning, and this is subject, but the main part is this handcuff lightning, right? So let's see, I'm gonna add layer, then using the pencil to luminance to like light pen, like this kind of effect. Well, let's see, this is white. Now adding this layer, just normal, like, let's see the size. See, start make flare, and that's pretty cool. That's what I want to try this time to make more effective, more exciting. And also I may use flare, like, let's see, how big is that? Like so. Let's see, isn't that great? Isn't that exciting? Yeah, so it's first reading here. That's cool. It's so cool image. That's what I want to try this time. Okay, let's continue now. I'm gonna using light pen, and some add more on this layer. You see, that makes big difference. This is just great. Exactly. Called light pen. It is. Alright. That's cool. Okay, now let's see. Overall image. Okay, this part I want to emphasize more. And it makes a really big difference. Okay, now what's next? Let's see. If I add another layer, then light leak. Yeah. No. Oh well. Let's see. Let's see. Change the layer mode. How it's gonna turn. How about move this layer behind this down? Well, just leave it now. Okay, then let's make something different. Okay, about mask, maybe I'm gonna make this image more. I'm gonna take this white border out. Now make mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal. How about this? What's this? Nebula. What's this mean? Oh, that's cool. Okay, nebula. Okay, let's. Well, okay, now I'm gonna fix some of them. Like, let's see on this. I want to move everything together as a group. How can I do that? Select this. Then, oh, dark. Okay. Okay, now select base. Then swipe right. These are group. Now I'm gonna move this. Change the angle like so. It's moving together, right? Alright. Finally done. Okay, I moved. Then I'm gonna. Got it. I got it. Now I'm gonna delete these. I don't need this. Delete. Now I have 4 images. Then I'm gonna paint on here. Paint base with brush. Let's use nebula. I want to turn more black. Oh, there we go. Organic to rainforest. Forest. Alright, now we got the movement. Okay, I don't want this here. Let's see. What these black lines come from here? Yeah, because of that. Okay, I'm gonna make mask. Then with the black. Hide. Now I'm gonna put more colors on here, so it's gonna hide some, and also this here too. Okay, about this much. Now let's see some, if I want this color to be here, or should I do it again? Maybe move only this layer. Bigger, smaller. That's interesting. Maybe about this. Yeah, now we know the story some. And let's see about how about her hair. This is because of the analog edge. Left film doesn't have so much fine edge, so I'm gonna add layer on this base image, then choose same luminance to light pen. Now pick up some color from here, then let's see how it looks like if let's see, this is normal. Now go to color, doesn't go with it. Let's change. That's kind of interesting. But this brush character is some really lightning image, huh? Okay, let's use it this way then. Add some her hair. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, let's have fun. Go outside edge. First man. That's very interesting. Now I'm going to tone down the inside too. Now we see the dark lines of these lines, so I'm going to take this one out with mask this here with the just airbrushing to soft airbrush to small these black lines, so this light pen goes. Now it's natural, right? You need black lines in here. Now, yeah. Then I'm gonna add this hair again. Well, how's this now? More funky. This is gonna be more. Oh well, I'm gonna touch up some this and airbrushing to take this black dot out, some dust, these stars. Okay, now we see stars too. This here. Now I'm gonna add this one. This is no more, right? Let me see if I change. Not much difference, so just leave it light color. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Kind of funky. I just add some new brush to get something interesting texture and interesting expression for this image. Well, thank you for watching my movie, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea to create your own work. And I really appreciate for you guys support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.